Everybody wants to make a lot of money from social media, but you have to follow the proven process to actually make that happen. Just like anything, you don't need to reinvent the wheel, just follow what's already working. You've got to brand first, advertise second. The reason is because when you build a brand, you build trust, and once you've built trust, it's so much easier to scale selling and have you sell something to somebody, right? Like if you don't trust me right now, you're not going to buy anything from me or invest in your marketing through my companies. And if I don't trust you, I'm not going to buy anything from you. That's just how we make decisions. And the way to build trust with people is to build a brand and get your branding down on the internet and social media. So then once we transition into running ads, when you go to networking events, when you direct message people or call people on the phone, it's so much easier. It's more effective and efficient to actually turn them into a client because they know you, they like you, and they already trust you. So number one, get that brand down. It could take a couple years, could take some investments into it. Number two, then we advertise. All the while, during building your brand, you're saving up and getting ready to invest big in ads after that brand is great. In many ways, you should look at it as advertising will create opportunity, but we've all heard the saying, luck is when preparation meets opportunity. Building the brand, setting up the automations in the back end, building out those business systems first is our preparation, and the advertising we do after is what will create the opportunity and the luck, aka the results you get, will be because you properly prepared before creating the opportunity.